mendengar ungkapan tersebut? Ya, dari Archimedes.
Pernah lihat benda tenggelam, terapung, atau melayang? Yap, itu ditemukan oleh Archimedes. Archimedes adalah ahli matematika dan fisika ternama sepanjang masa. Ia dibunuh oleh seorang prajurit Romawi pada penjarahan kota Siracusua. Hukum Archimedes menyatakan bahwa zat cair akan memberikan gaya angkat terhadap suatu benda sebesar berat zat cair yang dipindahkan. Menurut Archimedes, ketika sebuah benda masuk ke dalam sebuah fluida, maka benda tersebut akan mengalami gaya ke atas yang besarnya sama dengan berat fluida yang dipindahkan oleh benda tersebut.
Menurut Archimedes, ada 3 kondisi benda ketika benda dimasukkan ke dalam fluida: tenggelam, melayang, dan mengapung.
Tenggelam adalah ketika sebuah benda sampai ke dasar fluida dan biasanya terjadi apabila massa jenis benda lebih besar dari massa jenis fluida. Melayang adalah ketika benda masuk ke dalam fluida tapi tidak sampai ke dasar, biasanya terjadi apabila massa jenis benda sama dengan massa jenis fluida. Terapung terjadi ketika benda berada di permukaan fluida. Biasanya terjadi ketika massa jenis benda lebih kecil daripada massa jenis fluida. Untuk memahami hukum Archimedes, perhatikan contoh berikut ini. Sebuah benda dengan berat 5 kg terbaca 5 kg pada alat penimbang. Kita bandingkan dengan contoh kedua. Benda sama dengan berat 5 kg dimasukkan ke dalam air pada alat penimbang, terbaca lebih rendah dari 5 kg. Perbedaan ini disebabkan adanya gaya angkat yang dipengaruhi berat benda pada zat cair. Gaya angkat ini bernilai sama dengan berat zat cair yang dipindahkan.
And the great Archimedes, already famous during his lifetime for his scientific ingenuity. Archimedes' reputation won him a very special assignment. He had to discover whether a royal crown was made of pure gold or had been alloyed with some cheaper metal. It was a challenging task, as the precious crown could not be damaged in any way. The idea that saved Archimedes came to him in the bath. The tub was full, and when he got in, it began to overflow. Archimedes realized that the volume of the water that had overflowed corresponded approximately to the volume of his own body. He concluded that the volume of bodies and even their density could be calculated by the volume of water they displaced. He realized that he could use the water method to determine mathematically whether or not the crown was of pure gold. He observed that an object with a density lower than that of water displaced more liquid than an object with a higher density. The comparison only worked, however, if the two objects were of the same weight. It is said that Archimedes was so delighted by his discovery that he cried, "Eureka! I found it," and ran out naked into the street. So Archimedes took the crown and a lump of pure gold of the same weight. If the crown was of pure gold, it would displace the same amount of water as the lump of gold. However, the crown displaced far more, proving it was not pure gold. This was not the only problem solved by the ingenious Archimedes. To this day, he is regarded as one of the best minds of all time, and his Archimedean principle still stands. His fellow scholars were not to be outdone. They designed the first world map with longitude and latitude. They discovered that the Earth is a sphere, and Ptolemy calculated the movement of the planets and other celestial bodies in relation to it. The list also includes the first steam-powered machine and the invention of the water pump. In addition, the Greeks developed equipment such as the catapult and protective vests for their soldiers. Archimedes' formula